Alright, what does a bar of soap do in a microwave? This is Irish Spring. While we're at it, let's do ivory. What's it gonna do? Hell, I don't know! Let's try the Irish Spring first. Let's put it in for 20 minutes. 22 minutes. Let me fix the camera here. Let me try to block it off here so you can see what the hell's going on. So far, nothing. Uh-oh. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's like it's crapping something. Oh, that's gross. It's growing legs. Holy crap. It's like a human bottom of the torso. It's going off the plate. Holy crap, I gotta stop it. This is crazy. Look at that. That's goofy. Alright, let's stop it. What the hell? Look at that crap. Holy. That's freakish looking. Let's do the ivory. And check that out. Let's see what this thing does. Alright, now it's growing. Ooh. Holy cow. It's expanding like mad. Like a cloud. Holy crap. It's filling up the whole plate. Like whipped cream. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta stop that. That's crazy. That's neat though. Holy. Look at that. Oh, there you go. Oh my God, look at that. It cooled off, and it's kind of, it almost feels like foam, like a foam. Yeah. I'm sure you could still use it, probably mold it into something. Let's see what this feels like. This is like a lot softer. It almost feels like plastic. You know, that's pretty neat. It's still a little warm, but it after it cooled off, it just totally... Here's a spot. You could probably still use it. I mean, it crumbles really easily. That was pretty slick, wasn't it? Now, you know what you can really do? If you want to, here's an idea. If you want to make, if you have like, you want to play a practical joke on somebody that can afford a new microwave, take a whole bag of giant marshmallows, maybe 2 bags, stuff them in there, put that sucker on for 5 minutes. There. He'll get a new microwave now. Anyways, that being said, I don't know, my house smells like soap for some reason. Oh well, that calls for a beer. So, There you go. Thanks for watching.